Did you know there are over 20 waterfalls within 20 minutes of Babbling Brook Cottages? Whether you're seeking majestic views, peaceful hikes, or that perfect photo op, we've narrowed it down to our top 5 must-see waterfall spots of 2025. Here we go. Number 1, George W. Childs Park. Recently renovated, this park hosts 3 stunning waterfalls, Factory, Deer Leap, and Former Falls, that are less than a 5-minute hike or a 1-minute drive from its neighbor, Babbling Brook Cottages. All of this wrapped into a fairly easy hike that includes scenic wooden footbridges, stairways, and trails that wind through a beautiful 1.5-mile looping path, providing enough fresh air to reboot your soul. Factory Falls is a charming tiered waterfall. It is tucked beside ruins of an old woolen mill from the 1800s. Next up, Former Falls. At 56 feet, it is the tallest in the park and framed by dramatic rock walls. As you continue to the back of the park, you will come to the third waterfall called Deer Leap Falls. It was named after observing deer leap over it to cross the creek. It is a narrow 25-foot waterfall that also has a bridge that you can walk directly above it for a unique perspective. Number 2, Raymondskill Falls. Just 15 minutes away from Babbling Brook Cottages, this is the largest waterfall in Pennsylvania at 178 feet. Despite the trail only being a short 0.3 mile, it is narrow at times with some tall stepping stones, but is definitely worth the hike. It also includes 2 wooden viewing platforms for photo opportunity. Number 3, Hackers Falls. Starting at the Raymondskill Falls parking area, this 1.5-mile moderate hike is connected to the larger cliff trail. You will get plenty of forest vibes from this mostly wooded hike. Give yourself about 90 minutes and be sure to bring a trail map, unless you enjoy getting casually lost in the woods with your partner. Halfway through, you will come to the fan-shaped waterfall. Continuing on the path, it will lead you back to the cliff trail, where you will find sweeping views of the Delaware River. Number 4, Lower Indian Ladder Falls at Hornbeck's Creek Trail. This is an easy level walk that follows an old roadbed. This 1-mile out and back trail follows the peaceful Hornbeck's Creek that ends in a big reward. You'll cross a few charming footbridges before reaching a serene 25-foot cascade, perfect for photos or just listening to the water. Dog-friendly and quiet, it's a hidden gem for a relaxed afternoon. Number 5, Upper Indian Ladder Falls at Hornbeck's Creek Trail. A short but slightly more rugged trail, this path includes a steep descent and a narrow staircase that leads to a 30-foot waterfall that widens beautifully at the base. It takes about 15 minutes each way, and while the water flow varies with rainfall, the setting is stunning all year round. There's your top waterfall spots of 2025 when staying at Babbling Brook Cottages. So whether you're looking to reconnect with nature or each other, or just want a reason to wear hiking boots, this is the place to be. Cozy cabins, rushing water, zero emails. Head to babblingbrookcottages.com to book your cabin. Then pack your boots and come see what happens when Hallmark and waterfalls collide.